It can be frustrating to find paint marks on your car after a small scrape or bump. These marks often come from another vehicle's paint rubbing onto your car's surface. Luckily, here are some easy ways to remove paint transfer and make your car look clean again. Before doing anything, always start by washing the area with car soap and water. Use a soft sponge or microfiber cloth to gently clean off dirt, dust, and debris. This step helps you see how deep the paint transfer really is. Dry the surface completely with a clean microfiber towel before moving to the next step. Rubbing alcohol helps dissolve and lift the transferred paint without harming your car's clear coat. Firstly, spray rubbing alcohol onto the car paint and scrub the area with a scrubbing pad. Gently rub the compound over the paint transfer and wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. Repeat the process several times until the paint is completely removed from the surface. This method is easy and effective for removing paint transfer. Finally, apply polish using a polishing machine and spread it evenly on the paint surface. This will give you amazing results with a clear and shiny car finish. A magic eraser can work wonders for removing surface paint transfer. Slightly dampen the eraser with water and gently rub the affected area in small circular motions. Don't press too hard, as too much pressure might dull your car's clear coat. Once the paint transfer is gone, wipe the area with a clean damp cloth and dry it. Finally, apply a bit of car wax to bring back the shine. WD-40 is not just for squeaky doors, it can also help with paint transfer. Spray a little WD-40 on the affected spot and wait for about a minute. Then, use a clean microfiber cloth to rub gently. The WD-40 softens the paint transfer, so it can be wiped off easily. A clay bar can lift off paint, dirt, and other contaminants stuck to your car's surface. First, spray a clay lubricant or detailing spray on the affected area. Then, rub the clay bar gently over the paint transfer. The clay will pick up the foreign paint without damaging your car's finish. Wipe the area with a clean microfiber towel after you are done, and apply a wax layer to keep it smooth and shiny. Car wax helps restore the shine and protection of your car's paint after removing paint transfer. It creates a smooth, glossy layer that hides dull spots and minor scratches. The wax also acts as a protective shield over the clear coat, guarding it against sunlight, water, and dirt. With the right products and gentle care, you can restore your car's shine and keep it looking new.